Monahan, Safety Sales Specialist at Tanner. Oftentimes I'm asked to come out to a job site and help identify hazards, and very often the one I find the most is the misuse of basic anchor points used for fall protection. Today I'd like to cover a few of those. And it is important that you make sure your workers are using the right equipment for the right job. Keep in mind when we're talking about anchor points, there's many applications and just as many anchor points to meet that need. As an example, if you're using everything as the manufacturer recommendations are, something like this, which is a concrete anchor point, could be installed in the floor, at a column level, or above head. If you're doing it properly, make sure you read the instructions. You need concrete that is 3,000 psi. This can be drilled in, properly installed, and the red cap, once it's brought to the proper tensioning, the cap breaks off green, and you now have yourself a pre-engineered 5,000-pound anchor point, which is on a swivel head so that there is going to be no side load application that can damage this. One of the more common anchor points you'll find is the basic cross-arm strap, and you want to make sure you are using it to manufacturer recommendations. Typically, you'll find this wrapped around a column or on an I-beam, giving the worker a 5,000-pound rated anchor point. Lastly, today I'm going to talk about this I-beam anchor point, keeping in mind we have a variety of other anchor points, and we can discuss with you various job applications and the right anchor point to meet that need. Essentially, this one is one that you'll find on a job where there's a lot of I-beam overwork, where you can have an adjustable, making sure that this stays locked in, and it gives the worker a 5,000-pound rated anchor to work off their D-ring.